Before we begin, this video is general health education, not personal medical advice. Ever wondered how your body turns movement into power? This isn't about quick fixes or miracle cures, it's pure science. We'll explore how muscles, joints, and energy systems work together to move you. No jargon, just facts. Think of it like a user manual for your body, but without the small print that says, "Consult a doctor." When you move, your muscles contract using tiny protein filaments, actin, and myosin that slide past each other like gears. Your brain sends electrical signals to trigger this motion, turning energy into force in milliseconds. This mechanical process, called the sliding filament theory, powers everything from lifting weights to walking. Joints are the body's hinges and pivots, like a door swinging open or a ball rolling in its socket. Ball and socket joints, like your hips or shoulders, let you move in multiple directions because the rounded bone fits snugly into a cup-shaped socket. Hinge joints, like your elbows or knees, only bend one way, like a door opening and closing. Gliding joints, such as those in your wrists or ankles, slide smoothly to help with precision movements, like typing or balancing. These joints work together with muscles and tendons to create controlled motion, ensuring stability while allowing flexibility. When you sprint, your muscles need power now. They pull energy from anaerobic glycolysis, breaking down glucose without oxygen to produce ATP, your body's energy currency, in seconds. This creates lactic acid, a byproduct that often feels like a burn but isn't literal combustion. For longer efforts, like marathons, your body uses aerobic respiration, mitochondria, cell powerhouses, burn glucose with oxygen, sustaining effort for hours at lower intensity. Both systems are tools. Sprinting relies on speed, endurance on stamina. Behind every movement is a silent conductor, the nervous system. Motor neurons send electrical signals from your brain to muscles, telling them when and how to contract. Your body's sense of position, proprioception, helps you move smoothly without looking. For example, if you reach for a water bottle, sensors in your joints and muscles adjust your grip instantly. This feedback loop ensures precision, whether typing or sprinting. When you move, your muscles contract to pull bones across joints, creating motion. Ligaments and tendons stabilize these movements, while cartilage cushions the joint, absorbing shock. Energy systems in your body supply fuel like ATP for muscle contractions during different activities. Proper form and strength training help protect joints by distributing force evenly, reducing wear over time. You've probably heard that static stretching before workouts prevents injuries, like holding a stretch for 30 seconds to warm up. But here's what the evidence says. Static stretching before intense activity may actually make you slightly less explosive, not more protected. It's not that it causes harm. It just doesn't improve performance or reduce injury risk in the way we once thought. Dynamic movements like leg swings or high knees are better for warming up because they mimic the motions of your workout and get your muscles firing safely. That said, stretching after exercise or on rest days can help with flexibility and recovery. The key is balance. Focus on movement prep before activity and targeted stretches to support joint health long term. When you exercise, your muscles get tiny tears like micro-injuries. That's not bad. It's how they grow stronger during recovery. Your body repairs these tears by building new muscle proteins through a process called protein synthesis. This happens naturally when you rest, eat balanced meals with enough protein, and sleep well. Rest isn't just about doing nothing. It's active recovery where your muscles rebuild, making them more resilient over time. Think of it like charging a battery. Your body needs downtime to perform better next time. Sometimes movement doesn't go as planned, like when you twist your knee the wrong way during a quick pivot in sports. That sudden motion can stress the meniscus, the shock-absorbing cartilage inside your joint, or wear down joint surfaces over time, leading to pain and stiffness. You might notice limited range of motion, like trouble squatting deeply or bending your leg fully, while mild discomfort often fades with rest and gentle movement. Persistent or worsening symptoms like sharp pain, swelling, or instability suggest it's time to see a physical therapist. They'll guide you through targeted exercises and recovery strategies based on best practices for joint health, helping you move better without guessing. When you move, your body taps into 3 energy systems: immediate, short-term, and long-term, to power your muscles. The immediate system kicks in for quick bursts, like sprinting or jumping using stored energy, ATP, that lasts seconds. The short-term system takes over for moderate efforts, like running a mile, breaking down carbohydrates for fuel. For endurance, the long-term system burns fats and carbs, sustaining you during longer activities. Nutrition plays a role here. Carbs replenish glycogen stores, while fats provide steady energy. However, how your body uses these fuels depends on factors like intensity and duration of movement. This is why athletes train to optimize their energy systems without relying solely on diet. When you move your body, recovery isn't just about rest, it's also about sleep and hydration. Sleep helps your muscles repair by giving them time to rebuild and strengthen. Without enough sleep, your joints may feel stiffer or more sore because your body isn't fully recovering. Hydration keeps your joints lubricated with synovial fluid, which acts like a natural cushion, reducing friction during movement. Both are key for joint health, but they don't replace proper medical care if you experience worsening symptoms like sharp pain or swelling. When you move your body, muscles, joints, and energy systems work together like a well-oiled machine. Muscles contract to create movement, while joints act as hinges, allowing flexibility and reducing friction with synovial fluid. Your body uses different fuels like carbohydrates for quick bursts of energy and fats for endurance depending on the intensity and duration of activity. Recovery isn't just about rest. Sleep helps muscles repair, and hydration keeps joints lubricated, while lifestyle plays a big role in how your body moves and recovers. Always listen to your body and consult healthcare professionals if you experience persistent pain or discomfort. Moving your body is powerful, but it's not magic, it's science. Muscles contract to create motion. Joints act like hinges, with synovial fluid as a natural cushion. And your energy systems switch fuels based on activity intensity. Recovery helps muscles repair, while hydration supports joint health. These are general principles, but everyone's body is different. If you ever feel persistent pain or discomfort, that's your signal to check in with a healthcare professional. They can help rule out anything that needs attention, ensuring you move safely and effectively. Remember, this is general health education, not personal medical advice. For individual